Yeah, I've started the recording. So, Kunal, you can present. We're having a marathon of NBFCs today.
Yeah.
Great. So
So
just bubble को hide कर देना, हाँ?
yeah,
ठीक है, it's not there only. Good. Yeah,
Great. We
please
can
start.
see. Yeah, we can see Kunal. Go ahead.
yeah. So good evening, everyone. Today I will present Five Star Finance. So the vision of the company is reaching the unreached through the suitable credit solutions. The company was founded in 1984 by Mr. V.K. Ranganathan. The company primarily provides financial services to small and medium-sized enterprises that have difficulty accessing credit from traditional banking channels. The company's mission is to provide financial inclusion and support to businesses that are typically underserved by traditional banks and financial institutions. The company target customers in urban and semi-urban locations as well as in the rural market of India who typically drive income from everyday cash and cash flows of approximately 25,000 to 40,000 per month, uh, whose family will all act as co-applicants on the loan. Five Five Star Housing Finance Private Limited is wholly owned subsidiary of the company, incorporated in 2015, which was merged with the company in 2020. It was listed in the stock exchange on 21st November 2022. If we talk about the founder, Mr. V.K. Ranganathan, he, in, he is a graduate in commerce and master's degree in business administration. In 1984, he founded Five Star Business, which provides loan to small and medium-sized enterprises in India. Prior to founding Five Star, he worked at various companies in India, including EID, Perry Indian Bank, and South Indian Bank. He was a strong advocate for entrepreneurship and believed that SMEs play a crucial role in the economic development of India. In recognition of its contribution to the field of finance and entrepreneurship, he was awarded the Entrepreneur of the Year award by Economic Times in 2010. If we talk about the journey of the company has started a higher growth since 2015. If we talk about in terms of AUM, the company has increased 35x till 2022, and in terms of net worth, it has 50x. If we talk about the awards won by the company was awarded the Best NBFC Microfinance Institution Award at 2020 National Microfinance Awards. The company was recognized as the fastest growing NBFC at Financial Leaders Award in 2019. The company was named as Emerging Company of the Year at 2019 in India SME Awards. The company was recognized as the NBFC of the Year at 2018 India SME Conclave and Business Excellence Awards. If we talk about the promoters holding, it is 33.487%. The promoters of the company are the Lakshmipati Dinadalayan, 10, who has holding of around 10.53%. The other are the PE firms, that is Matrix Partners India and SCI Investments. The other two are the Mrs. Lakshmipati Hema, who she is the wife of Deen Dayalan, and Sritha, who is daughter of the chairman. We talk about the physical geographic presence of the company. It has a strong presence in South India and has almost 369 branches all over India. If we talk about the promoters and board members of India, oh, board members of the company, Lakshmipati Deenadayalan, Chairman and Managing Director, is an engineering graduate from Madras University, hailing from an entrepreneur's family. He is son of the founder. He joined Five Star in 2002 as an executive director. He has been instrumental in growing the business across geographies, maintaining an stellar asset quality, inducting
Kunal, are you there? Guys, am I only
think
not
his
able to hear?
No, all of us.
All of us.
all of us. I think his network broke.
Yeah, looks like it.
So
One
I saw.
question I already have, and this I had during Agna's presentation also. This
Hmm.
gentleman, Lakshmipati Deendayal, how is it related to the founding chairman, V.K. Ranganathan? Are they related or not? Has to be related.
Probably
Uh,
seems like that.
so,
Hey,
Kunal,
Kunal.
are you back?
yes.
Yeah,
Actually, the electricity has gone, so the Wi-Fi
no
closed.
worries, no worries, no worries, no stress.
I will continue.
Ha.
Yes.
I reached here, I
Yeah, you
think.
were starting to talk about Mr. Deendayal.
Yeah. So, chairman and managing director, he is an engineering graduate from Madras University, hailing from an entrepreneurial family. He is son of the founder. He joined Five Star in 2002 as an executive director. He has been instrumental in growing the business across geographies, maintaining the stellar asset quality, and inducting professionals into company's board and management team. Then the other board members are Mr. Anand Raghavan, independent director. He is an chartered accountant with over 30 years of industry experience. He worked in Sundaram Finance for over 20 years, occupying several positions in finance and audit. He also worked as a partner in Nest and Young LLP, covering tax and regulatory aspects of various industries like financial services, real estate, media, and entertainment. His specialization include NBFC regulations, corporate tax, and foreign investments. Then, if we talk, there is Srinivasanam Raghavan TT, independent director. He is a graduate in commerce and holds an MBA. He began his career as a banker before moving to Sundaram Finance in 1983, starting his career as a department manager in the company. He was evaluated as managing director in 2003. He retired from Sundaram Finance on 2021 and after 38 years of service, 18 of them as managing director. If we talk about the next is Baba Krishna Murthy, independent director. She was a country head and chief general manager of SIDBI. She was also associated with the drafting CSR policy guidelines for the bank. She has closely dealt with multilateral and bilateral agencies in close coordination with Government of India. The next is Ramkumar Ramamurthy. He is also an independent director. He has spent over 22 years at Cognizant and Nasdaq Q100 and SP 100 500 and Fortune 200 company. He incubated and built about half a dozen portfolios at Cognizant and retired as chairman and MD of Cognizant India. Prior to Cognizant, he worked for TCS. He is now partner at Kettle Linux. The next is Vikram Vaidyanathan, non-executive director. He is a MBA graduate from IIM Bangalore. He joined MC Kinsey and Company after his MBA and worked across a variety of sectors including mobile media, TV, retail, and engineering construction. Currently, Vikram is one of the managing director at Matrix Partners. The next is Ravi Shankar, non-executive director. He has some he has an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, where he was awarded the President's Gold Medal. He also holds a BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. He is a managing director at Sequoia Capital India. Prior to Sequoia, he has also worked at MC Kinsey. He had also worked at Wipro. Next is Thirlochand Vasan, non-executive director. He is a hotel management graduate with over 17 years of experience in the hospitality.
I think he dropped off again, right?
Yeah,
Or-
yeah.
okay. So Nirvan, at least your question was answered. He's the son
Yeah,
of the.
yeah. I mean, one thing I want to communicate to all of you, and I'll give this as feedback to Kunal. Uh, as and when you present more, na, you will.
But
Kunal, are you there?
management market commercial banking division. He
Kunal,
joined.
hi, can you hear
Yes,
us?
yes.
Yeah, we lost you completely in the middle. एक बार पीछे वाले स्लाइड में जाओगे?
Uh, now it's visible.
हाँ, ये वाला नहीं, इसके बाद जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स के स्लाइड पे थे ना, हाँ, तो यहाँ पे रविशंकरन जीवी तक हमने सुना, उसके बाद आई बी कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट यू, तो मे बी तिरुलाचन वासन का यू कैन स्टार्ट.
Okay.
या, थैंक यू. आई थिंक नेटवर्क तुम्हारा थोड़ा अनस्टेबल है.
Yeah, it's from mobile phone. So
या, नो वरीज.
yeah. Srilochan Vasan, non-executive director. He is a hotel management graduate with over 17 years of experience in the hospitality business. His areas of expertise include team management, customer satisfaction, and process optimization. If we talk about the management of the company, Rangarajan Krishnan, CEO of the company, he is a commerce graduate and has done 2 MBA. About 15 years of work experience across commercial banking, private equity investment, project finance, and advisory. He started his career with HDFC in the corporate banking division and then moved on to Standard Chartered Bank. He joined Five Star in 2015 as Chief Operating Officer and heads business, credit, and operations. The next is Shrikant Gopal Krishnan, CFO of the company. He is a commerce graduate and holds MBA in finance and has been a gold medalist in both the courses. About 15 years of experience in banking and finance. He spent the first 8 years of his career in Citibank. He was the vice president and head of business planning of Citibank. The next is Vishnuram Jagannathan, Chief Operating Officer. He He is an banking professional with over 15 years of experience across transaction banking and operations. He has previously worked with HDFC Bank and HSBC. Prior to joining Five Star, he was a vice president at Jutse Bank. The next is Pratha Sarthi Srinivasan, credit chief credit officer. He is a CA with 14 years of banking experience. He started his career with ICICI Bank and then moved to Standard Chartered Bank as credit analyst. His last assignment was with DBS Bank as a vice president. The next is Satya Ganesh, Chief Business Officer. He is a postgraduate in commerce and holds MBA in banking and finance. He has 18 years of experience with banks and NBFC and had worked with various organizations including ICICI Bank, Cholamandalam, and Equitas. Prior to Five Star, Satya headed Shriram Housing in Tamil Nadu. So next is Vanamali Sridharan, Chief Technology Officer. He is an engineering graduate and MBA in marketing and finance. He has spent many years with international banks such as Standard Chartered and NatWest Group. He also worked with TCS and Accenture. The next is Jayaraman Sankaran, Chief Risk Officer. He is a chartered accountant and comes with about 22 years of work experience in areas of credit, finance, and treasury. He was with Reddington for 15 years. Next is Ramesh Khanna, Chief Legal Officer. He is a law and MBA graduate, has over 22 years of experience. He has also worked with legal division of leading banks and NBFCs like Citibank, HDFC, and ICICI, and Cholamandalam Finance. Next, we will talk if we talk about the risk mitigation and about the risk management of the company. The company has a robust credit appraisal process that involves evaluating the financial, operational, and management aspects of borrower's business. The company's focus on referrals, personal interaction, and credit bureau checks helps it evaluate the borrower's reputation and creditworthiness. The company's underwriting standards focus on assessing the borrower's cash flow, which is a key indicator of their ability to repay the loan. It requires collateral for all loans to mitigate credit risk. It has a dedicated team that monitors the loan portfolio and on a regular basis to identify early warning signals of credit risk. The company has a diversified loan portfolio which reduces the concentration risk associated with the single borrower and industry. The company requires multiple individuals from the same family to apply for a loan together as co-applicants. If we talk about the forensics, the company has scored 87%, which is a great score. If we talk about the promoter ownership, it is only 34.87, but almost all the promoters have invested in five-star finance. The second is total RPT by sales ratio, which is higher due to some related party transactions to the chairman of the company. If we talk about the key metrics of the company, in terms of AUM, it is growing gradually year on year with a CAGR of 33%. In terms of PAT, it is also increasing with a CAGR of 34%. In terms of ROE and ROA is fallen in 2020, but has increased this quarter. And in terms of that was ROE. And in terms of ROA, it's gradually increasing year on year. If you talk about the GNPA and NPA percentage, it is increased this quarter. If you talk about the future outlook of the company plans to open 50 to 60 new branches for growth. The company also plans to increase its focus on digital channels to enhance its customer reach and improve operational efficiency. The company is taking the necessary steps to achieve its target of AUM of INR 15,000 crore by 2025 by expanding its branch network, diversifying its product portfolio, leveraging technology, and strengthening its risk management framework and focusing on customer satisfaction. The company is well positioned to achieve its growth targets. It focuses on digital technologies, is helping it to improve its operational efficiencies, customer experience, and risk management capabilities by leveraging digital platforms, payment solutions, analytics, AI, and mobile apps. The company is well positioned to enhance its competitive position and achieve its growth targets. In terms of comparison, in terms of AUM, 5-star is a little bit low as compared to Fusion, Satin, Credit Care, and Spandana. In terms of ROA and ROE, company is highest with the competitors in terms of ROA and is below Fusion in ROE. In terms of GNPA and NPA, company has the lowest GNPA and NPA percentage. So that's all from my side.
Hey Kunal, thank you for the presentation. Even with the difficulty of your internet connection, very good job done. From compared to the last presentation, you were much calmer this time. So great progress on that, Kunal. You don't have to be nervous during a presentation. So you are already speaking very well. So just be calm when you're presenting. Again, a very, very interesting company here. I had one question. जो मैंने तुमको फीडबैक में भी पूछा था. So can you go back to the credit scoring there? The slide on how they are doing their credit modeling. Yeah, 15, I think, slide number 15.
Yes.
Yeah, here assessment based on 3 C's, right? Character, cash flow, collateral.
Yes.
So how do they measure character?
Yeah, by personal interaction and the referrals, how they are getting that customer. So
इसके बारे में कुछ बोला है क्या उन्होंने एनुअल रिपोर्ट या कॉन कॉल में कहीं पे एक्सप्लेन किया है क्या ये कैरेक्टर वाला पार्ट?
No, not much.
अच्छा, okay. So whatever you are saying, they had ventured only that much somewhere, yeah, in the annual report.
Yes. Yes.
Acha. So basically, what are they saying? That they basically talk to the person's neighbors and things like that to get feedback on the borrower, is it?
Yes. Yes. They do a personal interaction with the customers and that with the family. And
Okay. Got it. And one more question. Board of directors may. So you said that this Deen Dayalan, who is the MD, he is the son of the founder chairman, right?
yes. Yes.
VK Ranganathan. So
Yes.
board may. So this chairman and managing director. So he is part of the board, right? So Deen Dayalan is part of the board. Yeah. Sorry, I got confused because you showed the other slide. There was no family member. So there is one family member in the board, which is Lakshmipati Deen Dayalan. And
Yes.
VK Ranganathan is no longer active in the company, is it?
Yes. He actually died in 2013.
Oh, he passed away. Okay. और एक बार इनका पैन इंडिया वाला स्प्रेड दिखाना यार, कौन से स्टेट में कहाँ पे क्या करते होंगे. इसमें तुम थोड़ा जल्दी निकल गए, मैं फोकस नहीं कर पाया.
Sorry.
No worries. So they are focused mostly in
South.
the south of India. Achha.
Yes.
Okay. So compared to the last company that we looked at, Fusion is focused more on the north. These guys are focused more in the south, and MP seems to be a big state for them. Achha. ठीक है, समझ गए. और can you go to the metrics once? Yeah. So yeah, stay here. Just उसको presentation mode में डाल दो. This one question, Kunal, their ROAs are like through the roof, right? Their ROAs are at some 7-8%. तुमने अब तक जितनी भी बैंक्स या फाइनेंशियल कंपनीज देखी है, किसी का ROA तुमने इसका इतना देखा है क्या?
Not really.
तो इनका ROA इतना हाई कैसे है?
Yeah, that I don't know actually.
नहीं, but Kunal, we know you know how ROA is calculated, right?
Yes.
So ROA is profit divided by total assets, right? अब प्रॉफिट को ट्रैक करो ना ऊपर से कि जब जो इंटरेस्ट ये कमा रहे हैं, द इंटरेस्ट अर्न from that they will subtract the interest that they have to pay for their borrowings, then they have to add any non-interest income करके total income आएगा. उस total income में से आप operational cost निकालोगे, इनके एम्प्लॉय का कॉस्ट, ब्रांच है तो ब्रांच का कॉस्ट, या those kind of things. So उसके बाद तुम so गौरव, ROA नहीं, ROE is low due to low leverage, but ROA is very high. So उसके बाद
sorry, I mistyped it. It is high. So this is actually written in the con call.
Yeah, but my question is on ROA, Gaurav. So ROE is due to low leverage, but ROA is tremendously high. It's double.
No, actually ROA is because of low leverage. ROA is high because of low leverage. They have actually mentioned this in the con call.
I don't think so. It has anything to do with leverage.
ROA won't have anything to do with leverage, Gaurav, because ROA, see, when you convert ROA to ROE, you're basically multiplying by the financial leverage ratio. So assets divided by equity. So assets by equity is very low for them because they operate with very low borrowings. So I can understand कि ROE क्यों low है, but ROA इतना high कैसे है? So ROA is the first metric, you know, yeah. Hey, this is wrong. There, either it has been captured wrong or maybe.
I will check.
Yeah, कुछ गलत लिखा है. Yeah, so Kunal, basically, मतलब तुम इसको check करो, ठीक है? मतलब what you do is इसको benchmark करो. इसका जो तुमने peers लिखा है ना, 3-4 कंपनी, उसको कैसे benchmark करो कि operating cost as a percentage. You have these metrics ना, cost to income ratio एक metric है. तो तुम चेक करो कि कहाँ पे कौन से कॉस्ट पैरामीटर्स पे ये लोग बहुत ओवर परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं कंपेयर टू देयर पीयर्स. मे बी उनका क्रेडिट कॉस्ट बहुत कम है, ठीक है, या तो उनका ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट बहुत कम है. कहीं पे तो ये लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से इतना इनका ROA आ रहा है.
Okay.
And one last question from my side. Their leverage is extremely low. ठीक है, I think 2x leverage पे है. Have they ever talked about have you checked their latest con calls? Are they talking about leveraging to 3x या और बढ़ाने की बात कर रहे हैं? Because then the ROE will increase. हाँ.
Yes, they will be leveraging at 3 to 3.5, I think.
3 to 3 point. So this is an important point, Kunal. तुमने way forward क्यों नहीं present किया? You have this beautiful information, ठीक है? जहाँ पे तुम्हें पता है कि ये कंपनी में चेंज होने वाला है. देखो कुणाल, हम लोग ये प्रेजेंटेशन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्यों कर रहे हैं? एक तो कंपनी आज तक कंपनी ने क्या किया है वो समझने के लिए, उसके बाद कंपनी आगे क्या इंटरेस्टिंग करने वाली है, कंपनी का प्रोस्पेक्ट बेहतर होने वाला है या खराब होने वाला है वो समझने के लिए, राइट? सो they have such solid ROAs. If their leverage can increase a little, ROE तो यार 24-25% पे पहुंच जाएगा.
Yeah, they are targeting for 22, I think.
हाँ, तो यार कुणाल, इसको समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तुम सीख जाओगे एनबीएफसी एनालिसिस अगर तुमने निकाल के बता दिया कि कंपेयर्ड टू फ्यूजन, कंपेयर्ड टू क्रेडिट एक्सेस, कंपेयर्ड टू ऑल द अदर कंपनीज, व्हाई इज देयर आरओए डबल? ठीक है, ये तुम्हारा टास्क है मेन, टू इन्वेस्टिगेट दिस एंड कम अप विद वन स्लाइड इस पे कि कौन से मेट्रिक्स के वजह से ये इतना अच्छा कर रहा है. और ये 4-5 साल से इसी लेवल ऑफ आरओए पे ऑपरेट कर रहा है, राइट?
यस,
दैट्स इनक्रेडिबल गौरव. आई मीन ऐसा कंपनी तो मैंने देखा नहीं है इसके पहले. तो ठीक है, ओके, दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड कुणाल. वेरी गुड, वेरी वेल डन. तुम बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंट करते हो, तुम काम रहना प्रेजेंटेशन में, ठीक है? ये बात मैं ऐसे ही बताने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आई एक्चुअली बिलीव दिस. तुम काम रहोगे तो और अच्छा प्रेजेंट करोगे, ठीक है? गुड जॉब.
And if you want, तुम हिंदी में प्रेजेंट करो, there's no point, problem.
यार मैं तुमसे हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ, तुम अंग्रेजी में क्यों जवाब देते हो कुणाल? तुम हिंदी बोलते हो ना?
यस, हाँ.
अरे यार फिर यस बोल रहा है बंदा. हिंदी बोला करो यार, कभी कभी हिंदी बोलने में भी अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है? पूरे दिन भर अंग्रेजी बोलते रहते हैं हम लोग, कभी कभी हिंदी भी बोल लिया करो, ठीक है? चलो यार, थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay, great presentation. Yeah, then we'll have a follow up of this one, right?
Yeah, we need to Gaurav, एक